I'm Dave Watkins. I'm a U of L grad. I graduated from dental school in 2009, so I've been practicing about 10 years now. I'm also a center grad, and I come at dentistry from an art background. In the past, some of the biggest issues I've had with dental labs are communication, sometimes due to language barriers or um, having a hard time getting a hold of the lab people over the phone. Other issues I've had, of course, are trouble fitting the crowns. Crowns that are either um, the occlusion's too high, like way too high, or contact points are too tight, and you spend a lot of time fine tuning. Those are really some of my biggest issues I've had in the past with labs. For me, having a local lab I can work with is super important. It's a whole lot easier to communicate with someone I can see face to face for important cases. It's important to have a relationship, even with the delivery and pickup driver, so you can communicate back and forth. Um, it's also important to have a lab that's close by that's a quality lab, because sometimes you need a rush case and you don't have time to send it across the country to get it taken care of. And so with Highland Lab, I've always had good luck with being able to take care of things immediately and communicate with them easily. I've been working with Highland Dental Lab for about a year now, um, almost exclusively on my crown and bridge work over the past 6 months. What I've found with Highland Dental Lab is they're very easy to work with in terms of communication. It's very easy to pick up the phone and speak with them directly. It's easy to send an email with a photo that we've taken to communicate information on shading. Um, in addition to the communication being very easy, it has greatly cut down on our seat times. Um, the amount of adjustments I'm having to make are minimal. And when I do have to adjust, it's primarily a little bit of a occlusal adjustment, but I've just been amazed with um, how nice the contacts are, how floss pops through just the way you want. They seat into place nicely, margins are tight, and they just have a good realistic look. And in terms of chair time, um, I've saved more chair time with Highland Lab than any other lab I've worked with so far.